To prevent blank frames and ensure media connects seamlessly in the timeline, we have this great function called Snap in Timeline. But I just call it snapping. It's located in the top left corner of the timeline panel. It's this little magnet icon. And when it's enabled, any video, audio, graphic, or media element positioned close enough to another will automatically snap in place. If you move a clip close to the playhead, its in point or out point will snap perfectly to the playhead's position. Even if you move a clip and decide to put it back, snapping ensures it returns to its exact original position. This also applies to markers and in and out points. But snapping isn't always something you want. If you're deliberately adding blank frames or making precise manual adjustments to trim points, snapping can feel frustrating. To work efficiently, it's a good idea to assign a shortcut for toggling snapping on and off so you can switch whenever you want. And here's kind of a cool feature. In Edit, Preferences, Timeline, there's an option to snap playhead in timeline when snap is enabled, which makes the playhead snap to all these edit points, markers, and in and out points. But even if this option is off, you can temporarily enable playhead snapping by holding Shift while dragging the playhead. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to learn more, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. If you want in-depth, hands-on, project-based classes, check out my Skillshare page for that. Links are available in the video description.